What's up, everybody, and welcome to a much less enthusiastic tool deals video because I just filmed this whole thing and my mic was off. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. It's my daughter's birthday too. I really don't have time to do this again, but let's just get with it. And look, for this sacrifice, please like, comment, subscribe. Happy birthday to my daughter. Anyway, I want to just show y'all what's going on at Tractor Supply Co. It's crazy deals, man. First, we have this dewalt random orbital sander kit. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery, a bag, a charger, and of course the orbital sander for $44.99. Was $59.99? Where? But $44.99. That's a glitch if I've ever seen one. But yeah, over here we have the receipt too, and this was in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So $44.99 there. And in some instances, some Tractor Supplies will price match. Just show them this receipt and they might price match, but then again, they might not. Because if it's clearance or whatever, they won't price match. Same thing with this gear wrench bit socket set. This was on clearance for $4.99 or priced at $59.99, but people was getting it for $29.99. So originally $89.99, $29.99. That was in Victoria, Texas. All right. Moving on, we also have, we're going to talk about this Ryobi too real quick, but we have also, again, at 341 piece Job Smart. This is really the deal right here because this was $34.99. I talked about this a few days ago, and I didn't make a single call or go out to no Tractor Supply. I haven't left the house. Just been too busy pulling up this carpet in this bathroom. So there you go with that. Now let's go back to this Ryobi. I just want to say I balked at this because I'm like, for $39 they can get that 12 volt Metabo not Metabo HPT, but that 12 volt Metabo. Remember I showed you guys that impact driver like all 2022. Yes, I said 2022, not 2022. I showed you guys that thing all last year, and it was $39 tool only, and it's gone. Ohio Power Tool is cleaning the house and fixed all their little Metabo 12 volt price glitches. Oh my goodness. This is still not a bad deal at $79.99, but it's brushed, which is quiet and it works great. But it's brushed. It comes with a single 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a hard case. It's not bad for $80, but for $80, man, we've gotten brushless hammer drills with two 4 amp hour high output batteries, charging the hard case from them. And then we got that 2-in-1, same deal, two 4 amp hour batteries. Now, I was just telling y'all before, just buy one of those kits and then buy the tool only, which was $39. So, I don't know, it's all gone. You got to jump on them when you see them. Now, as for this Ryobi, I don't think I'd do that. But, I mean, it's not a bad price for $39, especially since it's at Home Depot and it'll be free shipping and all that good stuff. So, anyway, moving on. I wanted to show you guys something else. I got to start all the way over because I already did the video. So I wanted to say, doesn't this look familiar? These look very, very similar, don't they? Metabo HPT speaker, which is very good, and Metabo speaker. Here's the difference, though. I think they're identical, obviously. Look at the mold, the handles, all that is the same. One, I do like this design. It's easy to carry with one hand. It's super light, and it produces great sound. But, and you see the buttons are all the same. Oh, you can't see the buttons on that picture. Buttons are all the same. It's just this one you can kind of see the speaker a little bit. Everything's the same except for the Metabo can take 12 volt or 18 volt batteries and be plugged in. So it's the 3 times hybrid system here. Of course, if you spend $350, you get a free impact driver right now. I've already showed you guys that, but you don't even want to buy a tool like this. I mean, you can, but it's other tools that if you buy, you'll get free starter kits as well. So that's really how you want to work it. And I'm still waiting on my order to ship from November 28th. It's still on back order. But anyway, the way this works, well, first of all, draw your attention to this little piece right here. You see how it's kind of cut out and separate from the mold? You can see it better on the Metabo HPT right here, how it's cut out here. Yeah, so it's the same mold for Metabo and Metabo HPT. What they do is just slap on the battery holder to each one. So this is Metabo HPT's version, and of course this is Metabo's, but it's the same unit. Now, the thing I've never mentioned about Metabo and their chargers is that Metabo's chargers, not Metabo HPT, but Metabo's chargers do charge 12 volt and 18 volt batteries at the same time, and it's not a separate slot like the Milwaukee's. It just put it in the same spot and it charges them just fine. So I'm guessing that's how they designed the speaker here. So I'm not telling you guys to get this. And I wouldn't. That'd be dumb to pay $5 extra for the same speaker that you probably don't have batteries for, when you can get this over at Lowe's for $99, and you can get this free starter kit here. It's two 2 amp hour batteries in the charger. That makes obviously the most sense. And if you did do that, don't forget that Lowe's has Rakuten and Retail Me Not. So if you're new to Rakuten, sign up using the link in the description. You'll get $30 bonus on your first purchase when you spend $30 plus the 2% cash back. But if you've already gotten your change, your bonus, then just use Retail Me Not and get 3% cash back. Not we're missing those 8% cash backs from the holidays, but hey, something's better than nothing. Moving on. Lowe's does have a few other good deals. 449. I've seen these around for a little bit, but just kind of assumed it was, I stay away from these bundles. But today it caught the XR on this jigsaw caught my eye. Then I see the XR oscillating too, and I'm like, wait a minute. Then this router, let me go add this up. So the two 5 amp hour batteries in this high speed rapid charger alone is normally $250. Okay. Then you have this jigsaw, which is normally $219, but let's call it $200. That's $450 right here. This is $450. This right here is $450. Let's call this XR oscillating tool, the top of the line oscillating tool, let's call that $100. Orbital sander $100, which we know we can. If you live in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, you can get this whole kit for $45, but normally $100. Sheet sander, let's call that $60, and call this router. This is normally like $200 too. We'll call that $100. I mean, that's almost, I don't even know, but we know it's way more than $450. So, and in this bag, you're getting a really, really good deal for $450. Same deal here. This is a big XR bundle, and normally these bundles aren't XR tools. You got an XR impact driver, XR drill, XR oscillating tool, orbital sander, XR reciprocating saw, power stack battery, 5 amp hour battery, regular charger. This is like, if we added up, we talking about like $800 worth of stuff. This is $200. $200. Let's call this $300, $400, $500, $600. This is $750. This is normally, let's call this $150, and call this another $100, $850, and call this bag, this rolling case, and this flashlight free. $850. This $600. Good deal. Same for this Craftsman set over here. This is all brushed, lower end stuff, but it's decent for a home kit. Something you get your child or your daughter, or just something to have around the house, honestly. Reciprocating saw has a 1-inch stroke, so nothing crazy. Impact driver, all like I said, brush, but you get an impact driver, drill, flashlight, circular saw, and the oscillating tool. Pretty comprehensive kit for $199. And that's it. That's all for this video. I was trying to find the Metabo stuff over at Amazon to see if they were still cheap and live over there, and they were not. But anyway, that's it. Just a quick video, much quicker than the last one, obviously, because I already filmed it. If you got any value from it, I ask you please again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.